Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super useful tutorial for you, something many people struggle with. Have you ever wanted to move your photos from one Google Photos account to another Gmail account? Maybe you're switching emails, organizing personal memories, or just want a backup. Well, in this video, I'll walk you through the easiest and most reliable method to do exactly that in 2025. Stick with me until the end, because I'll cover the full step-by-step process that works smoothly every time. So let's dive right in. First, log into the Google Photos account that currently holds your photos. Just go to photos.google.com and sign in with your Gmail. Make sure your photo library is visible and accessible. This is the account we'll be transferring from. Next, look at the top right corner and click on the gear icon to open Settings. From there, scroll to the section called Partner Sharing. This feature is the key. It's designed for sharing your photo library with another Gmail account, and we'll use it to transfer everything securely. Once you're in partner sharing, you'll see a couple of options. You can choose a starting date, so either share your entire photo history or only photos from a certain point in time. Then decide whether you want to share all photos or just photos of specific people, like friends or family. Most people will want to pick all photos for a complete transfer. After that, click Next and type in the Gmail address of the account you want to transfer your photos to. That's your destination account. Once entered, hit Send Invitation. Now switch over to your second Gmail account, the one receiving the photos. Open the invitation email you just got, click the link, and accept the sharing request. That's it. From this point, all the selected photos will appear in your second account's Google Photos library. So, in summary, the entire process comes down to two steps: set up partner sharing from your source account, and then accept the invitation from your destination account. It's quick, customizable, and secure. And that's how you transfer photos from one Google Photos account to another in 2025. No third-party apps, no risky downloads, just Google's built-in features. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials that make your digital life easier. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.